Hey guys! So for today's video, we're going to do the smoothie challenge!
Yay!
I know you can't see it, but we have all these things in front of us, and I will insert a clip now. Alright guys, so here's our setup for today's video. We got all of these different yummy foods. Got all of them over here. Here's the spoon, the list. So we're just going to put what we think is a good amount of things into each of our bowls. We have numbers right here. There's 1 through 20, so we'll have 10 items each. Everything is written down on this card. So whatever's on the card, we will put in the bowl. The only thing that's different is they requested us to use peanut butter, but we were actually out of peanut butter, so we're replacing it with ketchup. So let's get into the video.
Yay!
Ah! Choose the number, and I will let you know.
8.
Number 8 is tomato sauce.
I think that one's too long.
Got some tomato sauce. I'm actually not supposed to use can openers because I tend to break them. That's okay. I'm just going to add
Yay, Casey!
some tomato sauce.
Okay, thank you for not adding the whole thing.
18. I get onion.
Yeah.
I'm so sad, guys, that I get onion. You're just going to add what you think I should have in there. You're very, very generous.
Yes.
I would have poured the whole thing.
15.
15. Yay. You get some wheat thins.
I hate
guys,
those
we got
things.
Christmas style wheat thins here.
I hate those things.
Gotta open them. They've never been opened before.
Oh. Isn't that a yay me?
We'll just pour some of those in there. 5. Bologna.
Bologna.
With the bologna, we're only going to do 1 piece because we only have 1 piece of cheese too. So.
Okay.
Oh, it's thick bologna. I'm going to just tear this off right here. Just going to rip it up a little bit so it's easier to blend. Bologna.
12.
Sriracha.
Please don't put a lot, because I can't handle a lot of hot food.
Number 7. I get ice cream. Fuck yeah. It's Neapolitan. Heck yeah. I think you're just doing me favors.
How am I doing you a favor? Bologna and
Because
ice
you put a
cream.
lot. Help to overpower everything else.
13.
Is some Mexican rice. We got some Mexican rice right here. It's already made from burritos last night. It wasn't last night.
I think that I'm getting like a mixture of like
Let's just get
Mexican.
some rice in there. 10. Mexican candy. So it's just this kind of candy, like the little stringy candy with the sauce. I'm just gonna.
I like the stringy candy itself, but the sauce part is nasty.
I'm just gonna.
Ooh, this is looking good.
On me. Oh, and she has ice cream in there. Yummy.
Mexican ice cream.
19.
Oh, that means you get the bread.
Wait.
You have sriracha sauce in there?
Yeah.
Wow. Some bread for her.
Hey y'all, I'm not in this video.
And I got number 16, which is Gatorade powder. Okay, so I just brought like a 4th cup of it. Is this a 4th cup? An 8th cup of Gatorade powder. And we're just going to let her put however much she wants in there. It's the blue kind, so that should be good, right?
So that, yeah, it should be good. Number 6.
Ranch.
Oh! The thing I really was not wanting. I really did not want that.
17, I got ice. Got some ice here. All of it. Got all the ice, guys. All of the ice.
The smell. Oh my fucking god.
Mine doesn't smell too bad.
I got you.
That's so bad, too. Peanut butter, so that actually means ketchup.
So mad.
I got number 4, so I get tomatoes.
Yeah, give me that.
Per
1.
You have marshmallows, bitch. I got number 20, Nesquik. Do not put that much in that. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's gonna be extra chocolatey today.
11.
11. You get some motherfucking cereal. We got some Rice Krispie cereal. It's gonna crispy rice cereal. It's gonna make it extra crunchy.
Like,
Number 9. I got some jelly. It's actually strawberry preserves right there. Here's a spoon. Strawberry preserves. Look how cute that jar is, though.
Can I add it real quick?
No, you don't get to be in the video.
I'm sorry.
what was you about to put in it?
Chico stick.
What the fuck is that?
Was that the special ingredient?
I don't even know what that tastes like.
It tastes like peanut butter. It's like,
Don't I
It's-
get? I was gonna say,
yeah,
don't I get
you
to do
actually
it?
do get to put it in there for me.
Get off of there.
Get to my belly, little bun.
I got a 3.
3 would be the cheese. I don't know what ingredients left. Guys, I'm trying to think of what's left, and I just don't know what it is. Just gonna put a slice of cheese up in here. For 14. Syrup!
Oh, it's right in front of my face. Here's some syrup, guys.
You can just add it all if you want.
I was about to.
Just quick recap of what is in our bowls. I have syrup, ice cream, tomatoes, jelly, chocolate, the powder that you'd put in like a cup of milk.
Nesquik.
I have Mexican candy. I have a piece of bologna. I have Gatorade powder. I think there's something else. And I have onion.
Onion.
And you?
And I have bread, ketchup, sriracha sauce, rice, ranch, that Rice Krispie cereal, cheese, marshmallows, and
Wheat thins.
Wheat thins.
Alright guys, so this is what my bowl looks like. We're going to go put it in the blender and see how it turns out. And this is Kristen's. I will say hers has a worse smell than mine. Alright guys, we're back. We have our blended drinks in Dr. Pepper cups because they're clear. Hers is more of a, not a drink. Like, it's not moving at all, actually. Here we go. Some upside down action.
Very clean.
I'm very clean, guys. Look at that. No, seriously, mine is moving because that's not going at all. Are you ready? 3? No, quit.
Whoa.
Quit. Okay. Get your fucking balls. Okay, so if we both swallow one drink, that's good. That's the goal. If I can swallow more than one drink and she can only take one, then I obviously win. So, next time we really gotta do it.
Okay, we really gotta do it this time.
Okay.
No ifs, ands, or buts about it.
3,
1,
2, 1, go. The aftertaste was the worst. Like, I swallowed it, and then I tasted it. I was like, ooh. Alright, guys, so the computer just died, so we cannot record the rest of it. So we're going to finish on my phone here. But we both made it through one bite. Just one.
She had to use water, I didn't, so therefore that
No,
makes...
it's even.
I'm still the winner.
No, we're both winners because we both did it. You didn't do more than me. We did the same, so we're good. Oh, maybe
To get the title of a motherfucking
go
winner.
for it. You go for it, girl.
Bet. There's hair there.
That's gross.
There was hair there.
Are you gonna do it? Can you do it? Maybe she's gonna puke and then she would lose her title altogether. Wow, guys, she did it. Okay, so she is actually the winner.
Yeah.
She did more than I did. This is disgusting. I definitely recommend doing the challenge. Let your family members pick the food. That's what we did. I had my husband and my little cousin pick them, and I'm happy with it. This was I think this was a fun video to make, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.
One, two, three, go.